plant will work in a human brain. Never in the world that you can consider yourself as a plant. I mean, even though you're a vegetarian, you're not a plant. Right? So how can a plant compound work in the brain? Yes, it's God's design, okay? But this is a very good design, right? You think about it, how does all these drug molecules that we take work in us, okay? The reason here is that all the drugs that we take are basically mimicking what is happening in our body, okay? This is a blanket statement, okay? All the drugs we take are mimicking what we take in our body. Now, I told you that morphine works on a protein called receptor. That means that it's very specific. It doesn't work on other thing except that receptor. That means that there must be something morphine is mimicking. And that's why in the 70s, when I first started working on this kind of stuff, that this is a discovery, what we call the endogenous opiate peptides. That means that we discover that there are peptides, proteins, short protein sequences, that basically is what the morphine is mimicking. Okay? There are 3 different kinds of opioid peptide from 3 different genes, and if you're looking at the kind of model, then you see that they almost look like the same. Okay? This is a peptide, this is a molecule of morphine, that they just basically, morphine is mimicking beta-endorphin. Now, there are many, many papers to demonstrate this is the case. I give you a very good example why this can be done. Now, I think all of us heard about the use of acupuncture for pain relief. Okay. Now, there are many reasons how it does that, but one of the theory could be saying that the acupuncture stimulates the release of endogenous opioid peptide. Okay. So that means that just like you stimulate by acupuncture, just like you are taking morphine. Okay? And if you think about that, sometimes acupuncture will make you feel pretty good, right? That's what it is. So this is a pretty interesting study. That's why I say I wish that my laboratory did this. But what it is that you can make compounds that you can detect by positive the PET, positive emission